So I'm out for a little bimble on the channel with no catchphrase. Gonna meet up with Tommy and a friend of Tommy's. The reason I'm out on this Tuesday afternoon is quite simply to test the audio and using two mics. The reason being I want to have independent control over the voice mic, which is here in my helmet, and a mic that I've got in a back pocket of my jacket, and just like see if I can capture a bit more of the engine. Now, I'm using the DJI wireless mic, two transmitters and one receiver. It's plugging into my DJI Action 3, Osmo Action 3. A problem when using two mics is you get stereo, which means you'll have the engine in one ear and my drivelling on in another. But with Premiere Pro you can convert stereo to dual mono. So this little bimble is just to gather some footage, do that conversion and see what kind of sound I can create. The ideal mix between engine sound and bullshit. Regarding the second mic being in my back bike pocket, or whatever, what it was called, on the back of your jacket, so I'm wearing a winter jacket. No, that's not going to be the best location, but it's just a start. Like I said, this experiment is just to test the stereo to dual mono functionality in Premiere Pro, and after that it will just be a case of put the mic closer to the exhaust or on the front, probably the front, because I want the induction sound, which on this bike is absolutely brilliant. Right, okay, well, see you in a bit when I'm something a little bit more interesting than traffic. So I think we're going to go and do the B4011, so hopefully we'll be able to give it a little bit of gassiness so as to really see how this mic copes. That's if you hear anything, because I'm in front of Mr. Tommy on his loud bike, and behind us is a new chap I just met tonight called Nick, and he's on a very loud S1000RR. Lovely looking thing it is. I'm gonna die. It's quite a beast, has Tommy there. For now. Is he going to get some petrol? No. Can't be denied though that Ducatis just looks so damn good. Hello Tommy, you're on candid camera. He's got a loud exhaust. Check out that bike. It is lovely. Oh, I do like that. Here we are. Buckingham. jammed sandwiched between two very fast bikes. Not that this hangs around.